Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we bring you a heartwarming story of a father and his son. But it's not just a heartwarming story, it's also a fantastic opportunity to learn and improve your English. We've added subtitles, so you can follow along, understand, and even pick up new words and phrases. It's like a mini English lesson right here. Okay guys, if you ready, let's jump into the video.
Hey, champ, how's your soccer practice been going?
Dad, I've been really struggling on the field lately.
I see. What is happening? Is there something specific bothering you?
Yeah, I can't make good passes and my dribbling needs work. I feel like I'm letting the team down.
It's okay, everyone goes through tough times in sports. Remember, it's all part of the learning process. And practices will make you perfect. You just need time.
You are right, Dad. But just don't want to disappoint them.
I feel you, but don't forget, your teammates and your coach will always support you.
Actually, yes Dad, think you are right.
How about we work on your passing and dribbling skills together?
That sounds great, Dad. I'd really appreciate your help.
Fantastic! Let's start with some passing drills. And then, we can move on to dribbling. I'll show you some techniques that might help. See, it's all about practice and determination. You're getting better already.
Yes Dad, thank you. I feel more confident now.
That's the spirit, son. Just keep practicing, and you'll see improvement. Plus, the most important thing is to have fun playing the game.
I will, Dad. Thanks for being such a great coach and support.
Anytime, champ. I'm here to help you become the best soccer player you can be. Okay, son, we need to eat something. I am starving.
Yes, Dad. I am starving too. Hey Justin, how's it going? Cool. You know what happened yesterday? My dad helped me with some soccer drills at home. Your dad? Isn't he like a soccer pro or something? No, he is not. He used to play back in the day. Anyway, he showed me awesome move to improve my dribbling. Sounds cool. Can you show us? Sure. I can show you some tricks, after class. Okay, Justin. See you at the training then. See you.
Hey, great job out there today. Your skills are really shining on the field.
Thanks, coach. I've been practicing a lot. And my dad has been helping me with some cool drills at home.
It definitely shows. You were impressive, Justin. Your dad sounds like he knows the soccer.
Yeah, he's been a great coach at home.
That's fantastic. Practice will make you better and better.
I thought so too. It's fun, and we all get better together.
I'm glad to hear you're enjoying it. Keep up the good work. And if there's anything you want to work on, or discuss, you know where to find me.
Thanks, coach. I'm excited for the next training day. Dad, you won't believe how awesome today's soccer practice was.
That's great to hear. Tell me all about it.
Coach said, I did really well, and he noticed the move you taught me. He even said it was impressive.
Wow, that's fantastic. What else happened?
I invited some friends to practice with us. And they loved it. Coach said, it's building good teamwork.
That's amazing, son. Teamwork is crucial, not just in soccer but in life. I'm so proud of you.
The story of the dad and son is over, but it's a happy one. They like playing soccer and learning together. They also have a soccer coach who helps and talks about teamwork. The son asks friends to join, and they all have fun, learning and getting better. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time.